We're going to learn some new sight words today. It's the first day of the week, so we have 6 of them to learn. What you're going to do is you're going to listen as I read and spell the word, and then it will be your turn to read and spell the word. Here we go. The first word is look. L-O-O-K. Look. Can you say the word look? Let's try spelling it. My turn. L-O-O-K. Your turn. Nice job. When we look, we use our eyes. We can look at lots of things. Can you look at my computer? Look at the book. Look at that cool light show. What's the word? Look. The next word we're going to learn is very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Can you say the word very? Can you spell it? My turn. V-E-R-Y. Now it's your turn. Great job. Very means something a lot, like this caterpillar was very hungry. Do you remember reading that story? How else could we use the word very? Have you ever seen a very bright rainbow? Okay, the next word we're going to learn today is put. P-U-T, put. Can you say the word put? Can you spell it? My turn. P-U-T. Your turn. We use the word put to make an action. Put the letter in the mailbox or put the book back on the shelf. When we are putting something, we are placing it somewhere. The next word we're going to learn is saw. S-A-W. Saw. Can you say the word saw? Let's spell it. S-A-W. Your turn. When we use the word saw, we're usually talking about our eyes. Something we saw yesterday with our eyes. Yesterday, I saw 2 birds on my back deck. This word can also mean the saw, like the tool that you use to make wood go in half when you saw it back and forth, but we usually use it in reading this way. Saw. The next word is there. T-H-E-I-R. There. Can you say the word there? Let's try and spell it. My turn. T-H-E-I-R. Your turn. We use the word there when it's spelled like this to talk about something that belongs to someone. Like, this is their baby dolphin. This baby dolphin belongs to this mommy dolphin. So we use the word there. We could also say, their shirt is awesome. We're talking about a shirt that belongs to someone else. The last word we're going to learn today is out. O-U-T, out. Can you say out? Try and spell it. O-U-T. Your turn. Out is when we go from inside to out, when we move. So we can go out a door, right, from one side to the other to go out, or we might be asked to stay out of somewhere that is dangerous, right? Out, to not go there, or to come from. Okay, let's review all of our words. Let's read them when we see them. Out. saw, look, very, put, and there. Nice job with our sight words today, boys and girls. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look at this sheet. You do not need to work on this paper. You can just use any paper or whiteboard that you have at home. And your job is to create one sentence for all the words we learned. So the word bank is up here. That'll help you keep track of which words you use. So if you start with the word look, on the first line you might write, look at my book. Once I write that sentence out, I would want to cross off the words so I don't forget which ones I've used, and then try and use another word in my next sentence, like very. I am very hungry. So you're going to keep doing this until you have all 6 words in a sentence of all their own. Try your best.